For the longest time, I thought that I was doing my skincare wrong. But then I realized when I had these bumpy textures and pores on my face and I started getting acne, that's when I realized that the problem was not my skincare, but it was my double cleansing. So today I'm going to speak to you about my double skincare routine, which I do. So as a combination skin girly, I do have problems on my T-zones. I have a oily T-zone and I have my cheeks that are dry. So it completely depends on the weather. So during summers, my face gets really oily. During monsoons, it's oily and then it's dry. And whereas in winters, it's completely dry. So as a combination skin girly, it's so difficult to find the right products for your skin. However, I'm going to show you my two-step cleansing routine that I use on a daily basis. So these are one of the best products that I currently use and I love them and I cannot do without them. This has to be a part of my skincare routine because without that I cannot finish my skincare. So I'll just show you. The first thing is the Pharmacy Cleansing Balm, which I use to remove any residue from my face, my sunscreen, makeup, it could be whatever. So this is how it looks. This is the packaging. However, now their packaging has changed and they have a new packaging altogether, but you can still see the product and this is how it looks. It does have a mild papaya fragrance, which I really like, and also it does remove all the dirt, the residue, the makeup from your skin. So I'm going to show you how you need to use this cleansing balm. So you need to take little product on the hand. So it depends on how much you want to take depending on your face. So this is how much I've taken on my palm, and then you rub it in. Once you rub it in, it'll become something like this, which will look greasy and oily. So once you rub the product in your hand and you activate it, all you have to do is you start rubbing it into your face, not forgetting your neck as well. So this will help remove all the residue, all the dirt, all the makeup that you have on your face. Your hands, it will emulsify like this and it will become a milky texture, and then you go through your face again with wet hands. Do you see? It's emulsifying. So it does remove all your dirt. Now the second routine is the face wash, which I love to do. I don't miss that step at all. So it's the Anuva face wash that I use and I cannot do without this as well. So what you do is you just take a little bit on your palm and you activate it with water. Once you've activated it with water, you need to rub in the face wash into your skin so that if there's anything left on your face, this will clear it out. So you rub it. So this is how my skin looks after my two-step Korean cleansing routine. I would want you to try it out and let me know how it works for you. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.